Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to catch over 20,000 pips plus trading just few volatility pairs, synthetic indices, and even the currency pairs. So please, if you're new to this channel, please do well to like, share, and click on the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you could be notified on each time we drop forex educational content like this. So without further ado, let's head over to the business of the day. Okay, so this is my Telegram community. If you are not on my Telegram community, please do well to click on the link on the description below. You see a link to the Telegram community, so you could join. Here on the Telegram community, you can see drop free signals, which hits take profit. You send free signals here on Telegram community, and all these are done for free. And we also do free mentorship, free live sessions for people that are interested to join. So here on the Telegram community, you can see I sent the projection of the pace. Okay, good morning peeps. I'll be dropping projections on the pace, and if you scroll down, you can see the date. That's more like the 9th of March. So I sent these projections to them. Okay, for V100. Okay, for V100 we'll be looking for a breakout in the trend line, and this is the projection in which I sent with the chart. Okay, I love sending my projections with the chart, so my mentees could learn properly and also see how I'm able to analyze it too. So here I said you have a breakout of the trend. Okay, breakout of the trend line and break a market structure in higher time frame and a retest of the same trend line before we could now look for selling opportunities. So this was a projection in which I sent them. So I'm going to show you guys. We go to our V100 on how price later played out. So here's it. You see we have been sending sell signals even to the group, and everybody actually made money. So here is a trend line. Okay, the trend line was being drawn. Okay, all right, so let's go 4-hour time frame and show you guys practically how we're able to do it. So all I just needed to do is, as you can see, this trend line. Okay, all I just needed to do is using my trend line plus my trend line. Okay, so all I just needed was price to break out of this trend line before we could start looking out for sell opportunities. Mind you, price actually got to a key level. Okay, I have a video on how to plot key levels. If you have not seen it, just go to my YouTube video. You see how to plot, how to do the top-down analysis. This particular video, you can also watch it to know how we're plotting key levels. So price actually got to my key level. I started looking out for reversals on V100. You know, V100 is one of the most volatile pairs. Okay, so I plotted my trend line, and here I could even see my my divergence up here. So all I needed to do was just to be patient for price to break out of the trend line, just like I stated there. Okay, price to break out of the trend line and then break a market structure. And when price broke out of a trend line, and then you saw us started selling, then I sent a signal to the group. Okay, I sent a signal to the group, and they all made money together, and we traded this little buy reversal, and now we have another sales from this top, which I'm holding till currently. So this is one of the trades in which we had good profits. So that's actually for V100. We also sent another one for Boom 500. Okay, for Boom 500 we also trade the synthetic indices Boom 500. So all we just needed was price to break out of this structure, though price is actually ranging for now. So we are still waiting for price to break out of this structure, retest this structure or the trend line, then we can go for more buy opportunities. So and Boom 500 is actually very much bullish as we speak, just like we looked at it here and we were looking out for on our projection being sent. And V25 was another awesome trade. Okay, it was another awesome pay in which we traded during the week. Okay, all signals were being sent. All signals were being sent to the Telegram community. So do well to join the Telegram community if you are not part of the Telegram community. So on V25, we're looking out for a little sell retracement. Okay, you can see V25 was very much bullish. Okay, so we're looking for a little sell retracement to our order block or the Fibonacci golden zone. Okay, we had an order block here or our Fibonacci golden zone. The Fibonacci golden zone is a golden zone between the 50% and 72%, which is this blue line you're seeing here, and it comes in line with our trend line which we plotted here. So we're looking for price to get to our Fibonacci golden zone and then look for bullish trend continuation. Okay, so as you can see now on the V25, price actually, this is the Fibonacci. You plotted our Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, extend it. Okay, so you see, even when I sent these sell signals, it was just a retracement. I knew where to hop out. Okay, I knew where to hop out because I was very much looking for bullish continuations to the other side. So price came into our golden zone. Okay, you see, price actually came into our Fibonacci golden zone, which is the 50 level. And what happened? Price later and touched our trend line. You can see this trend line was even drawn before price even got to it. Okay, so that's the essence of this trend line. Okay, so price mitigated on our trend line and our Fibonacci golden zone, and what happened? The price later reversed to the upside. So we are looking forward for more bullish continuations to the upside on V25. So, and that was which I caught over 12,000 pips on boom boom on V25. So same thing again, and one of those pays we also traded was Volatility 71s, which is a very less volatile pair. So all these projections were being sent to our group on same time, same day. For V75 1s, we'll be looking out for bearish continuation, breaking market structure on higher time frame, as at then price wasn't able to break this structure. Okay, price was still trying to break out of this structure. So hence why we said we're looking for a breaking market structure in higher time frame and a retest on the same area. Then we can look for bearish opportunities, bearish sales opportunities. So that's why with this blue line, okay, with this blue arrow, so all we just needed was a breakout, a retest on this zone, and we traded the sales to the downside. So let's show you guys how it was being done. So all we just needed, okay, we still have our blue line there. Price, we just wanted price to break out of this zone, okay, this minor zone, and retest here. So you can see we had a very nice retest here. Price mitigated that area, and we sold. We put a stop loss behind our trend line. Okay, I love putting my stop loss behind my trend line. First level take profit 1:2, and now we are still holding this price. We are still holding it for a swing trade. All right, most of my signals are basically always swing trade signals. So let's look at the next trade, in which okay, same thing for even the currency pairs. Euro USD has really been a nice pair in which we traded. So let's see if we can still find it. So all these things even happen on even synthetic indices or volatility indices. So we have a very nice trade on all this. So if you're not on our Telegram community, so you can see how we were able to have this is about six different pairs, trading six different pairs with a simple analysis and simple trend line and technical analysis incline. So yeah, we kind of forgot to include the C300 and C300 and V75 and the V25, C300, V25, and Volatility 100 were one of the best space in which really gave me all this magnificent 20,000 pips in profit. So I want to show you guys how we're able to also do it on C. Okay, for C300 we'll be looking out for a little sell. Even for C300 we even did this analysis live with my mentees on our free Zoom sessions. So people that were there on the live sessions was able to trade out, and everybody smashed their take profit. So for C300 we're looking out for a little sell retracement. Okay, little sell retracement, or an retracement due to the trend line, and price to and look for bullish trend continuation pattern, then we can continue selling to the upside. So hence what actually happened there. Okay, we still have, so hence why we still had more bullish continuations to the upside on C300. Price kept on going up on C300. So that's all for today, guys. So do well if you do well to write on the comment section if you like us, you have any forex kind of videos you love us to make, and do well to like, share, and subscribe. Smash the subscribe button. Comment below on any other forex educational videos you love us to do or make on our next video, so we could make it for you guys. So see you guys on the other side. Ciao. It's a boy at FX.